Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So, today, this came in the mail. Dun, dun! It's a computer case. This is going to be so amazing to unbox. Let's see, let's jump right into it. Let's see, which side do I get to start at? Okay, let's see this one. This side has a hole. And then, let's see. Can I get this in there? Okay. Let's get this. Wait, let's see. I think I just have to go back to the old-fashioned thingy and just use my hands. Can I do it? Ooh, yes, I did it. Got the box open. Okay, I'm not gonna force it this time. I'll just do this. Ooh, look, it has gauges on it. That's nice. It's such amazing. Wait, guys, I'm gonna invite everyone in here. Bodie, come in here. Look at this. Come on, get in here. I didn't even notice this. Bodie, look. It has gauges on the top.
What?
It has gauges on the top.
What are those?
It's gauges. Okay, Bodie, I need you to hold this for me while I hold it by the bottom like this. No, just hold it exactly like this for me.
Micah, just do this.
Bodie, just hold it. Okay, Bodie, hold it the right way.
Damn, stupid.
Okay, let's see, guys.
Don't break it. Oh God, that thing is massive.
This is how people open
It's like half as tall as me.
Yeah. Okay, Bodie.
Boom. Oh God. Yeah. So yeah, there's 2 fans.
No, there's one on the side panel here.
Oh, cool. Let's really.
Bodie, you're not holding the camera. Bodie, stop.
Oh wait, so that's what the green things were. Oh wow, that is a giant. You can. Oh my, look at the fan. It's like green. Wait, does that fan?
It's glass, I think. I don't know.
Micah, does that thing light up the fan?
Yes, it does. I read
cool.
descriptions, Bodie.
Cool. It's cool, Micah. Yeah, perfect one. It's gigantic.
Oh, so satisfying.
Micah.
Look, it has a fan speedometer.
Oh, cool.
Bodie, you're not holding the camera.
A temperature. And a VU. What the freak does that mean?
Oh, that's so satisfying.
Oh, plastic. Windows plastic.
Yep.
Foam.
Oh, look, that's so cool.
What?
You can mount stuff in here. Like, for me, it would be just this one